Astrology here. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate all of you. Om Adyaye Namaha. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. It really helps me a lot. Don't forget to check out my website, paradoxastrology.com. Book your consultation today. I can help you with anything. And if you'd like more exclusive occult videos that I don't post on YouTube, consider subscribing to my Patreon. It also helps to support this channel. Okay, just a quick video. And this is in relation to Prashna Kundali, which is a technique that we use in astrology when you look at the exact time that someone poses a question. And this is a whole study. And I'll do more videos about this if you guys are interested. But this is quickly how you can check to see if someone's asking you a genuine question or not, or if they're just trying to probe you for knowledge. Now, this can help you for business. I know for myself, there's a lot of people who inquire about readings, for example, right? But not everybody really wants to get a reading. You can get the email right away and then figure that out. Is this person really need help or not? You can use this for so many different things. People online asking you questions like any business that you have, so this doesn't waste your time, because you want to help people really need to be helped. Now, to check if they're actually asking you a genuine question, so you look at the chart of the exact time that they asked you the question. If there is a benefic planet in the Lagna, then it's a genuine question. If the Moon, Jupiter, or Mercury are aspecting the Lagna, then the question and the person asking the question are genuine. If there's a benefic planet sitting in the Lagna in a strong positive sign, it's a positive sign for the question being asked. When the Lord of the 7th house is strong and it is in its own Rashi, its own sign, exalted, or in the Mul Trikon sign, Rashi, and is aspecting its own house, then the question is genuine. If we have Jupiter or Venus aspecting the Moon or Mercury, it's a genuine question. If the Moon or Jupiter occupies a position in the Kendra houses, it's a genuine question. So if the person is just asking you to test you, this is how you know. If there is the Moon in the Lagna is the ascendant, for those who don't know. Saturn in the Kendra, combusted Mercury, but all three conditions have to be fulfilled. Moon in Lagna, and Saturn in Kendra, and combusted Mercury. Or Mercury and Mars aspecting the Moon in Lagna. 7th house Lord without any benefic conjunction or aspected by an enemy planet. A strong malefic planet sitting in the Lagna. Jupiter in the 6th, 8th, or 12th house. Mars sitting in the 3rd house and aspected by a malefic planet, then also the person doesn't really want your help. They're kind of just checking on you to see what kind of knowledge you have or have other ulterior motives. Now, another thing that's very interesting about this study is the moon. So usually people use this in order to locate an object. If you lost something, you can use this to locate it. Now, I'll probably make an entire video about how to locate an object. But when you're missing something, the 1st house represents the person themselves who's asking the question. The 4th house is the value of the thing missing. The 7th house is a place where it's gone missing. Or it could be the person that stole the thing. And the 10th house is who will help you or what will help you find this thing. When it has to do with health matters, the 1st house is the person who has the disease or the health matter. The 4th house is the treatment they will receive. The 7th house is how critical that situation is. And the 10th house is the support that they will receive or their mental state. So it's very, very interesting. Also, when you look at the moon's position, if the moon stays in the 1st house, then you'll get the result of the missing object within a few days. Or that can be related to the person's disease or whatever question they're asking. If it's in the 2nd house, it will take more than a month. If it's in the 3rd house, it'll take more than a month. And understand both of these show that there will be problems, but it will resolve itself. The 4th house will be 3 months, whether it's good or bad. No, the 5th house means you'll get success within 6 months. The 6th house, you will get results within 3 months. The 7th house, you will not get success until 6 to 12 months, and it will be coming from the opposite gender. If it's in the 8th house, you could get success with some hurdles. but you could take the wrong steps in achieving that success. The 9th house, you will get success within 2 to 4 months. If it's in the 10th house, you'll get success within 2 to 4 months, but with the help with an authority figure or elderly person. If it's in the 11th house, you will get success in whatever you're asked for in 2 to 4 months, but you will have to spend some money in order to get that success. If it's in the 12th house, we can say you will get success, you will not gain happiness from that, or the happiness will not be long-lived from getting such success. So this is how precise astrology is, and if you're interested, then I'll make more videos about this. I thank you so much for watching. Appreciate all of you, and I'll see you in the next one.